Strictly speaking, demi-glace is a roux sauce. Use a dark roux, dark stock, and then there's the addition of some pancetta, which gives an extra bit of fat into the roux, and some more mirepoix vegetables and some tomato paste. And then we reduce it quite heavily until it's a concentrated sauce base or a mother sauce. Then it's used for plenty of different sauces to serve with meat, peppercorn sauce, mushroom sauce, etc. Okay, now the reason for making a demi-glace would be that we're serving it with a fast cooking cut, a steak, a piece of fillet, something where we don't get a great reduction sauce from the cooking process, i.e. braising or stewing. Okay, so we'd make this base sauce in advance and use it for whatever fast cooking cut we need it for. I've made sure I've cooked the fat out of the pancetta properly. I've coloured up the mirepoix as well as I can, and now at the end, once I've got some good colour into the pan, I'm adding in the extra butter. And now I'll add the flour, which makes it a roux. But you can see the difference between the bechamel and this demi-glace is I've really made an effort to get some colour into that pan. And as was the sweating and sautéing principle, that colour is going to carry on and give me a rich sauce. And as with any roux sauce, we add the liquid in gradually. So I'm pouring my beef stock in a little bit at a time and making sure it's well incorporated before I add the next stock. Once all the stock's in, I'm going to bring it up to the simmer. And because it's full of vegetables and mirepoix, I'm going to make an effort not to let it boil. Just a gentle simmer, which is going to bring all of the impurities to the surface, any fat, bitter flavors, burnt things and rubbish to the surface, and then I'll be able to skim it off with a ladle. Now this whole process might take an hour or two depending on how much stock you've got and how much sauce you're making. But the idea is to, a bit like a reduction sauce from here on in, is to simmer it down until you've got a really, really rich sauce base that you can then use for a number of different applications. Okay, so this has had maybe an hour and a half. I'm still skimming it, skimming every last piece of fat and rubbish that I can from the top. It should taste really rich. It needs straining, and then it's ready. And when it's cold, it should set like jelly. A good quality sign of a demi-glace is that it's set hard like shock rubber. Okay, there it is, ready to use.